I don't care what health concerns you're dealing with, whether you're dealing with PCOS or terrible menopause symptoms, pre-diabetic or diabetic, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, inflammation, bloating, hormone issues in general, poor sleep, bad digestion. All these things will go away within the first couple of weeks to the first couple of months. When you start doing the right things, your body will repair itself. You are not damaged. You are not broken. Part of intermittent fasting is when you allow your body to rest, your body clicks on a switch and starts healing itself. A weight loss is just one of the benefits. Feeling better, looking better, clearing up your skin, more energy. All these things will start taking place.